UNICEF has warned that 24 million children will not return to school because of the pandemic, even after classrooms reopen. With one of the lowest literacy rates in the world, children in Nigeria are particularly at risk. Ishaq Khalid reports.
What's the meaning of al-kalimat?
Was.
Number one is what?
Secondary school teacher Muhammad used to teach Arabic to more than 40 students. But now, from the safety of his own home, he's down to just a few. All his own children.
O-N-E.
Thank you very much. Activate for her. Clap for her.
The last year has not been easy.
The school has been locked, and my salary has been stopped. Since my income has stopped coming, there is no way that I can send my children to school.
After nearly a year out, these students are eager to catch up. But not all their classmates have returned. Across Nigeria, an estimated 10 million children are out of school. The pandemic has only worsened the crisis. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, this class was full of students, but now there are just a few. Many of them have dropped out as parents struggle to sponsor their children due to the economic impact of the pandemic.
Everybody is struggling. I've told you that some schools just around us in our vicinity, 4 schools have had to fold up. That's not a good story for anybody. It's not even a good story for the country. You just have to pity parents. Everything is difficult, but we are Nigerians. We are very resilient people.
For now, Muhammad's eldest son, Mukhtar, has put his education on hold. As an apprentice tailor, what little he earns helps to put food on the table.
I really want to go back to school. Whenever I see other students going to school, I wish I'm with them. I envy those going to school. But my parents always reassure us that one day we will go back to school.
The pandemic has shaken access to education for an entire generation. But it has not shaken Muhammad's pride in his children, despite their current hardship.
I used to ask them one by one. They would be telling me that small one, whose name is Abuja, he used to tell me that he wants to be a pilot. And Aisha used to tell me that she wants to be a doctor. Mukhtar used to tell me that he wants to be an engineer. My children, they are very, very gifted. I would say that they are still in the school, I know they will perform very well. Yes, yes.
Ishaq Khalid, BBC News, Abuja.
Why do white working-class pupils in England do worse at schools than almost all other ethnic groups? They're amongst the least likely to pass English and Maths GCSE.